Well, Alan, I'll try anything about once, but what about you? How is that green chili mimosa sounding to you this morning?
It seems kind of mid, but also just back from vacation where I did a lot of drinking. So the thought of that, I feel like I need a little detox for the next couple of days. Now, weather-wise, today we're going to detox once again from any sort of wintry weather. Much like yesterday, parts of southern Colorado under red flag warnings. Today, it's a little bit more marginal in terms of wind gust and humidity, and it's mostly going to impact areas west of I-25. So much of El Paso County, Pueblo County not included today. Areas that are included are from Chaffee County eastward towards Fremont and Teller counties. And in these spots, we could see gusts this afternoon up around 30+ miles an hour. As we get you out the door on this Wednesday morning, cold. Sign of changes to come later this week, and this in response to a cold front that swept across the state Tuesday night. 16 degrees in Monument. We have 7 on the map in Lyman. Westcliff now the cold spot down to 2 degrees. We have some breezy to gusty conditions out across the Sangres this morning into the wet mountains, the eastern slopes, as well as the eastern slopes of Pikes Peak. And the wind is expected to intensify in those areas as we make our way close to the lunch hour, lingering into early this afternoon. So most of those areas we just mentioned will see gusts between about 25 and 40 miles per hour. Notice closer to the interstate, it's not much of a westerly flow today. It's going to come more out of the southeast and only gusting up around 10 to 15 miles per hour for much of El Paso County. Highs today will be down around 10 degrees from yesterday, but still near to a little above average for this time of the year. Really a nice day to get outside, take advantage of the drier skies before big changes roll in starting on Friday. Now tonight we'll see another cold front sweep across the state. That's going to cool us down a few more notches on Thursday, but notice the bulk of the really cold air. That's the purple stuff here on this 500 millibar contour chart. That doesn't move in until Friday to Saturday. Now still some uncertainty with respect to moisture associated with this system. Here's what it looks like as we make our way towards Friday morning. We start to get a strong easterly upslope flow, and I think we'll see a fairly widespread blanket of stratus clouds, and that could lead to a few flurries Friday morning. Snow chances then likely increase Friday night into Saturday. As we make our way towards Saturday night, looks like snow begins to taper off from north to south. Not ready to put out a full snow forecast yet. This gives us an idea of snow confidence with the building idea of seeing anywhere between about 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 inches, I think, for most of southern Colorado. And again, some snow showers, some gusty winds, some very cold air moving in on Friday. And with wind gusts up around 25 to 30 miles an hour, those wind chill temps downright dangerous during the day on Friday. Looks like they'll stay mostly under 5 degrees in the Springs. In Pueblo, our air temps here go from 50s today to a high of just 17 on Saturday, and lows for not 1, not 2, but 3 nights down to single-digit territory. Canyon City, enjoy today, even though it'll be a bit breezy to gusty. At least we're dry and mild before those big wintry changes move in Friday and Saturday. In Woodland Park, we'll see near average highs both today and tomorrow, dropping down to the teens and 20s from Friday into the upcoming weekend. Time now is 5:50.